here's exactly how you can water your plants in Schedule 1. So as you can see, we have just started the game and we now want to water the plants to let them grow. So first you want to press E on your access storage. Then you have these two items. Select the water can and drag and drop this water can into your toolbar. Another option is to press Shift and left click on Done, and then you want to go to the Water tab and now rotate this to the right side. Now the water can is filled up, and press E, and now you want to press A or D to rotate this can, and then you want to aim on this crosshair to water the plant. On the bottom side you have the bar, how much water the plant needs. If it's filled up, you can see the bar is full and the plant will grow. Don't make these mistakes in the first mission in Schedule 1. If you want to find out, click on this video for a few tips for the first 5 minutes of the game.